For this kind of exercise called evaluating an exponential function with base e that models a real world situation, the only thing we have to do is, just as in other kind of exercise that you probably have done, we only have to evaluate. So in this case, we have a can of soda that is placed inside a cooler, and it says that the temperature of the can of soda is given by this function. So the input of this function is the time in minutes, and the output of the function is going to be the temperature of the can of soda. So what we're going to do is evaluate first in the initial temperature. That means that T, or in this case, is the variable is X. So X equals 0, but that is time in minutes. So the only thing we are going to do is evaluating for this one. Sorry, 0. So just as in the other case, we have that when X equals 0, well, I put this in parentheses, but in this case, this whole factor is 1, right? Because the exponent is going to be 0, then e, that is a number different from 0, elevated to 0 is 1. So we have 6 minus 6 plus 28, and that equals 22 centigrade degrees. So for the other one, we didn't have to use the calculator because that was the easy case with exponent 0. Now we're going to evaluate at 18. So we're going to use a calculator for this one. I'm just going to write it all down, but I'm going to use a calculator. So it is minus 6 plus 28 times e to the minus 0.038 times, what was that? Times 18. Okay, that is our number, and it says that we have to round up to the nearest whole degree. So the number is just going to be 8. So after 18 minutes, the temperature of the can drops from 22 degrees to 8 degrees. I'm going to write that down here. And that is going to be our answer. Thank you.